This brush is a little bit cheaper, okay? Those are colors. Dang, y'all trying to break the bank, okay? It is not tax season yet. You cannot be trying to break people's bank. Hi guys, Sharice here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a first impression / review on a new Dose of Colors collaboration with ILUVSARAHI. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I created this look here today. This is probably not the lip I would have paired with this look, but this was like the last lip combo that I tried during the swatches. So I just my lips are super raw. I decided just to keep the lip as is. I don't want to change it anymore. If you guys want to see how I created this look, as well as my thoughts and opinion, as well as my final thoughts on the collection, then go ahead and you know what, I think I already have a good enough intro. I'm just going to piece that thing together. But yes, you guys, that's just it. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. I just wanted to save some time. Plus, I really want this video to be solely focused on the collection. So right here, we have the palette. It is so cute. My lights are kind of washing it out, but this is what it looks like. My lights are washing it out. It's smaller than what I expected it to be. I don't know, it's just like when you watch it on these different videos and stuff, it seems so much bigger online. Let's go ahead and prime the eyes. Going in with Finders Keepers. This is going to be my transitional shade. I must say, it is a tad bit too light for my skin, but we're gonna try to really build this color up. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. I'm gonna go in with Poquito Mas next. Poquito Mas. I know un poquito Spanish. Ooh boy, that one got a lot more. It shows a lot better on my skin tone. I really want to create like I want to create like a halo eye. So this is going everywhere. I feel like this collection is like missing like a brown shade. Because I don't have that shade, I'm gonna go and because I have this palette right here, I have the It's My Red palette. I'm gonna go in with, I don't even want to shake off because my palette is jacked up. But I'm just gonna go in with one of the contour shades, Brownie Bite, and I'm going to put that in the inner and outer corners of my eye. Just going back in with Poquito Mas and Finders Keepers to kind of blend out this brown. Palma right here is so pretty, so I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going to go in my finger because I'm pretty sure that's going to work way better. And it does. I'm going to go back in with the brown shade to kind of blend that out. Do be careful when you're blending because I find like the glitter is falls off a little bit when you start blending. I'm going to go in with a damp angle brush and I'm going to dip into Loungy. I'm going to dip into Loungy. I'm going to kind of use this as a liner. I'm going to run this along my lash line. I'm going to do my face off camera and then we're going to come back to finish the rest of the look. Alright, so let's go ahead and I look a little crazy, but we're not finished with the rest of the face. I'm going to go ahead and add some black eyeliner to my waterline. dip back into Loungy, that black shade, and I'm going to go over that liner and I'm going to smudge it out a little bit. Going in with the pencil brush, I'm going to run Poquito Mas and Finders Keepers underneath my lower lash line. Going back in with Palma. Is it Palma? Palma, I'm going to put it like in the center of that black. Go in with Roller Lash from Benefit, and I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes. I'm going to go back into Wanderlust, and I'm going to wet the brush a little bit with whatever type of setting spray you have, or on hand or water, it doesn't matter, because I really want that color to pop. So I'm going to wet the brush and go back into my inner corners. Got that a little bit more wham bam. Now it's time for highlighter. So there are 3 things that I did not get from the collection, and it was 2 highlighters. It was both the highlighters and the lip gloss. Was it Brio? The Brio lip gloss. I just didn't really care for the lip gloss. I'm not like a huge lip gloss person, and I already have some and have enough. So that's just something that I decided that I did not want to buy. As well as the highlighters, I just felt like the highlighters just was not going to suit my skin tone. They were a little too icy, a little too light for me. So I decided to pass on the highlighters. But what I am going to do is to keep it in a Dose of Colors family. I'm going to go in with the Desi and Katie's collab, and I'm going to go in with Mirame. No, it's Spanish, but I'm going to go in with this one from Dose of Colors. Alright, this one I'm going to go in with a little blush, an oldie but goodie, MAC Raisin. Fresa is the one that I'm scared of. This is not a shade that I gravitate towards, so actually this is going to be the first one that I'm going to do first. I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I must say I love the packaging. Everything about it is so cute. I mean, the eyeshadows are really cool. They went on beautifully. This color for me is just like a tad bit too light. It doesn't show up on my skin tone that well, but it is a different way that I could use it to where it would look great. The one thing about this palette that I wish that it had was like a dark brown, some type of brown shade in here. Or other than that, I mean, it's really cool, it's really cute. Do I think it's worth $35? No, actually, I don't think it's worth $35. I wish that it was a tad bit cheaper. I feel like it's a little steep. I do feel like if you have some of these colors or similar colors, someone actually did like a dupe to this palette, and it had way more shadows. Everything looked relatively similar, and you had way more shadows at a way cheaper price. So do I think it's worth it? No. But I mean, that doesn't take away from the quality, that doesn't take away from the packaging or in any effort that went into this collaboration. It is still nice. The eyeshadows are so nice. But like I said, the price point for the eyeshadows is a little steep. I did not pick up the highlighters. I just felt like the highlighters was not going to look good on my skin tone based off some of the videos that I saw, and I just felt like it just wasn't my cup of tea. It was a little bit too light, a little bit too icy. It looked good on Karen, and it looked good on some other people that I saw, but for me personally, on the darker skin tone, some people, there was like mixed reviews. But after watching the several videos, I decided that the highlighters just wasn't for me. When it comes to the liquid lipsticks and the lip gloss, I didn't get the other lip gloss because I'm not a huge like lip gloss fan, and I already have some, so I just kind of opted out getting Brio. I opted out of getting Brio. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I did get, you know, Peachii, Fresa, Nude Chica, Aesthetic, and Barely There. Surprisingly enough, Fresa and Aesthetic, I was a little skeptical about, especially like Fresa, because that's not a shade that I would gravitate towards. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. I felt like it was gonna be too bright. But that one was probably one of my favorites out of all of the liquid lipsticks that I did try. I actually really did like that a lot. When it came down to Peachii and Nude Chica, when I tell you guys, in the middle of me swatching, they look so similar that I could not remember which one that I started off with. Like, I got so confused. So one of these did not get swatched. I don't know if it's Peachii or Nude Chica. Which brings me to my point about these two shades. I feel like you don't need both. I feel like you need, especially if you're, for women of color, because it's so light and so milky. It's only when you apply it, there's only like a slight difference in the undertone. And the difference is not that, the difference is not that much noticeable, because clearly I could not tell the difference between the two. If you're my complexion, a little bit lighter or darker, I feel like you need one or the other. And Barely There, it's just a lip gloss version of Nude Chica or Peachii. It looks relatively the same. So if you want the glossy version, then, you know, get the glossy version. But, you know, overall the collection, like I said, overall I think the collection is cool. But for me personally, for my skin tone and my preferences, I just am not like super crazy about this collection. Certain things I could do without. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial / review on this Dose of Colors collaboration with ILUVSARAHI, with Karen. Let's just say Karen, because that's just so much easier for me to say. With Karen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't seen some of my other videos, I'm going to post them somewhere on the screen. And until next time, you guys, bye.